Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 30i, and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with the quickest way to check the serial number via the secret code, and after that I'll show you another way. So let's open the dialer. It is the place where we can enter the code. Which is *#06#. And as you can see at the very bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and as I said, let me show you another way. We have to open the settings, and at the top of this list we've got my phone section, so let's tap. Now let's tap on this model option, and as you can see at the bottom we've got the serial number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.